Hi, everybody. This is Delfino, Pascal, and Alexis, and we're going to be going over chameleon vision.
Okay, so we're going to get now into background information about chameleons. So chameleons live mainly in rainforests and deserts in Africa. They also live in, tropical regions. There are over 160 different species that we know of. Their diet consists of mainly insects like grasshoppers and crickets. They spend most of their time in trees catching food or mating in season. And they also while they're spending their time on trees, they're also, looking around for predators and, making sure they don't get attacked.
Concerning the anatomy of the eyes, it is based on a double eye chamber and a lens eye, just like humans, but the difference is that the two eyes protrude almost completely from the eye sockets and can move independently from each other. The eyelids of the chameleons are scaly and have the ability to change color like the rest of its body. The eye is moved by small muscles at the back of the orbit that cross the eyeball vertically and horizontally and allow an infinite number of movements. The ability of the chameleon's retina to adapt allows the brain to vary the precision of the lens and to receive signals that are very far away and yet very precise. The image can be clear up to 1 kilometer away. All these factors allow a field of view of 90 degrees vertically and 180 degrees horizontally. This results in a full field of view of 342 degrees, with only 18 degrees not visible in the back of the head. Concerning the colors, the vision of the chameleons is normal thanks to the cones, but the notion of contrast and night vision is more limited by lack of roads.
Chameleons use their vision in different ways. One of the ways they use their vision is for hunting. Another way is for predator monitoring, which means since their eyes can, rotate 360 degrees, they're always going to be on the lookout for any predators that might be lurking in the area. And they also use their vision for mating behaviors. So this could mean, if they want to attract a mate, they can use their eyes as a way to attract the female. And that can be, moving them, in different directions, how fast they move it. And then I have a video that is going to show how chameleons use their vision to hunt.
Advantages and disadvantages. Binocular vision versus monocular vision in chameleons. Binocular, meaning two, means that the eyes are located in the front part of the head and that both eyes are used to take in vision. Monocular means that for the most part, one eye cannot see what most of the other eye sees. Chameleons can transition back and forth between the two. They can focus on an object with just one eye that make out a perfect image, or they can focus on the object with both eyes for a bigger picture. With chameleons, they can also see two different objects at the same time by using their monocular vision. One object on the left side they can focus on, and one object on the right hand side, so they can see different predators and prey and be on the lookout for both. The eye structure in a chameleon. Chameleon's eyes are in the shape of a cone that is covered by different size scales surrounding it, as you can see in this picture. The pupil is also shown as a small circular opening in the center of the eye.
Finally, here are some fun facts to conclude the presentation. Well, you already know the first one now. As we explained, the eyes of the chameleons are independent from each other, which allows them to see two different objects at the same time. Next, chameleons live in multiple different environments, ranging from rainforests to deserts. Among more than 200 species, almost half of them are located on Madagascar Island. Then, contrary to popular belief, camouflage is not the main reason for the color change. When stressed out, chameleons turn dark in coloration. But when they are happy and relaxed, they turn bright green and blue. In a more general way, they mainly change color in order to communicate or regulate body temperature. Finally, as we know, chameleons have a very sticky tongue that can be twice the size of the animal. It can be extended and retracted in less than a second, and it has been proven that the smaller the chameleon, the faster the tongue.